Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to dive into a French word with two different meanings that we use every day. Have you ever come across the word un truc in French? Maybe in qu'est-ce que c'est que ce truc? Or j'ai un truc pour t'aider. We are going to see everything about it. Un truc is also today's French word of the day on my website, Instagram, Facebook, and here on my YouTube community tab. If you would like to receive the word of the day every day per email with audio, examples, and related lessons, often including PDFs, you can sign up directly on my website. The next few days, the word of the day will be un chat, plus a lesson on une des, un quartier, plus all the masculine nouns ending in IER, IE, inquiet, plus 193 common French adjectives, and then after that is the verb chercher, plus the conjugation of chercher. You see where I'm coming from. Every day you get a lesson, and then you get the audio example, and you usually have an extra lesson to learn something new. I'm slowly building my website, so I add new lessons related to the words of the day a few times a month. You can sign up directly on my website if you're interested. I will have the link in the description box. I think 2,500 of you are already signed up. So let's start with un truc, and the first meaning we have today is a thing. In this context, un truc refers to an object or a thing that you might not know the specific name for, or it's not important enough to specify in the conversation. Let's see a few examples and then we talk about it. Est-ce que tu peux me passer ce truc sur la table? Est-ce que tu peux me passer ce truc sur la table? J'ai trouvé un truc incroyable au magasin. J'ai trouvé un truc incroyable au magasin. Tu as vu ce truc là-bas? Tu as vu ce truc là-bas? And finally, elle collectionne tous les trucs étranges qu'elle trouve. Elle collectionne tous les trucs étranges qu'elle trouve. And I know that in English, I don't think it's that common to use thing like this, very casual, in a more lazy way, if you want to say that, to not specify an object, but in French we do this a lot. So, if you can't find the word to specify something that you can see, or that you already refer to it in the conversation and then you just can't remember the word, well, you can use un truc. Easy. The second meaning is un truc, a trick. So un truc can also mean a trick, a technique, or a clever way to achieve something, to solve an issue. Let's see. Il a un truc pour ouvrir les bocaux facilement. Il a un truc pour ouvrir les bocaux facilement. He has a trick for opening jars easily. So here, technically it could mean both, because we could say just, oh, he's using a thing to open it, or he has actually a trick to open them easily. You know, personally I tap the bottom of the jar, but that's my trick. C'est mon truc. Mon grand-père connaît plein de trucs pour réparer les voitures. Mon grand-père connaît plein de trucs pour réparer les voitures. He knows a lot of tricks. Il y a un truc pour mémoriser les verbes français plus facilement. Il y a un truc pour mémoriser les verbes français plus facilement. The easy thing, the easy trick is to remember them by group. So first group, second group, third group, and then verbs conjugated the same way. Works every time. Last one. Elle m'a expliqué son truc pour avoir de belles fleurs. Elle m'a expliqué son truc pour avoir de belles fleurs. So un truc is either a thing that you don't want to mention again, it's not important enough to mention again, or that you just can't remember the name of it, or maybe you didn't hear well, don't want to repeat and sound silly, so you can just use un truc. It's a little bit tricky to pronounce because of the R, but un truc. Truc, truc, truc. Okay? And then the second one is a trick as a magic trick. Okay? Well, I think I said okay enough for this video, so thank you so much for learning with me today. Don't forget to subscribe to the word of the day if you would like to get a new word and new lesson every day in your inbox. And I will see you next Wednesday for a lesson about the difference between devoir and falloir. I know it's a big one. So, à mercredi prochain.